Hello everyone, welcome back to Arun Commerce and Management Academy. Today's video is about financial accounting for BCom first year first sem. Today we will see most important questions, that is long questions and short questions. Before going to start the video, if you are new to our channel and who are not subscribed till now, please subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. Let's start. So let's see the question paper pattern. So here two sections will be there, part A and part B. Part A is for short questions and you will be getting 8 questions. Out of 8 you need to write 5, that is 5 into 4 20 marks, and part B long questions. So here questions will be from question number 9 to question number 13. So each long question carries 12 marks, that is 5 into 12 60 marks. Here in part B, that is in long questions, you will be having combination A and B options, means here you will be having a choice in this combination for question number 9 to 13. Important questions from unit 1, that is accounting process. So when it comes to theory questions, the questions will be like this. What is accounting? Who are the parties interested in accounting information? So here accounting is an art of recording, classifying and summarizing. So here accounting is a language used to communicate financial information of a concern to various parties who are interested in such information. So here when it comes to the users of accounting, it might be owners, creditors, investors, management and government. So like that we can explain this question in detail. And when it comes to theory, we need to write minimum 2.5 pages, maximum 4 pages. Then question number 2. What are the basic accounting concepts and explain their implications? So here you need to explain all the accounting concepts and you need to explain their implications in detail. Then question number 3. What are the various accounting conventions and explain the objectives of accounting? So here we need to explain all the conventions and you need to explain the major objectives of accounting in detail. The next question will be write the differences between bookkeeping and accounting. So here we need to explain what are the differences between bookkeeping and accounting. Then fifth question, explain the merits and demerits of accounting or limitations of accounting. So here you need to explain all the advantages of accounting and some limitations, like it might be historical in nature, or it does not provide the detailed analysis, or it ignores the non-monetary information. Like that we can write some limitations also. Then last sixth question, explain the list of accounting standards issued by ASB. So these are some of the theory questions we might expect in the 9A, combination 9A. Then here we will be having choice in 9B, means here there is a probability of getting the problem here. So problems will be from journal entries, means here we need to practice all the journal entries, and please focus on some special journal entries like discount allowed, discount received, or drawings, etc. Then the problems might be from journal, ledger and trial balance also. So practice all the problems whichever there in your textbook. Then unit 2, subsidiary books. So here also sometimes they may ask the theory question in 10A theory, from 10B problems, or sometimes you might be getting 2 problems also. So when it comes to theory questions, the questions will be like this. What do you understand by subsidiary books? Explain about each of them in detail. So here so there are 8 types of subsidiary books, which include purchase book, sales book, purchase return book, sales return book, cash book, bills receivable book, bills payable book and general proper. So like this you need to explain all the subsidiary books, and you need to explain the advantages. And number 3, what is sales book? Draw its format and give examples. Then question number 4, what is a cash book? Explain types of cash books. So like that any one theory question may come, or 2 problems also may come. So when it comes to problems, that is 10B. So here the problems will be from cash book, like you need to practice problems like on cash book, like triple column cash book, or problems on subsidiary books. So practice all the problems related to triple column cash book and problems on subsidy books from your textbook. Your bank reconciliation statement refers to a statement which is prepared in order to reconcile the difference between the balances as per the bank column of the cash book and passbook on any given date. So here there is a probability of getting two problems also. Sometimes they will be asking one theory and one problem. So when it comes to theory questions, the questions will be like this. What is bank reconciliation statement? Explain the various reasons for preparation of BRS. And define bank reconciliation statement and explain causes for the difference between cash book balance and passbook balances. Then write the procedure for preparing bank reconciliation statement. Show the formats of BRS. So like this, any one question may come, and in choice one problem may come, or else sometimes both the problems may be problems. So here you need to practice favorable or debit balance of cash book, favorable or credit balance of passbook, unfavorable or overdraft balance of cash book, unfavorable or overdraft balance of passbook, or sometimes amended cash book also. So you need to practice all this type of problems related to BRS. Then for rectification of errors and depreciation. So here first we'll discuss some theory questions. Question number 1. What do you mean by rectification of errors? Briefly enumerate different types of errors. So here we need to explain the meaning of rectification of errors, and here explain different types of errors. So accounting errors are the mistakes occurred in accounting books, and the process which is used for rectifying or correcting these errors is called as rectification of errors. So errors can be clerical errors and errors of principles. Then question number 2. Differences between capital expenditure and revenue expenditure. So here you need to explain what is capital expenditure and what is revenue expenditure, and explain the differences of capital expenditure and revenue expenditure. Question number 3. What is depreciation, and explain methods of depreciation. So depreciation refers to the reduction in the value of assets. So there are different methods of calculating depreciation, like straight line method and diminishing balance method. So when it comes to problems will be on rectification of errors as well as depreciation. So here sometimes there is a probability of getting both the problems also. So my advice is, so you can practice the problems on rectification of errors as well as problems on depreciation. Unit 5, final accounts. Question number 1. Define assets and liabilities and explain differences between profit and loss account and balance sheet. So assets refers to a resource which helps in generating profit for business. It is something which is owned by the business. Example, furniture, buildings, goodwill, etc. Then liabilities are something which business owe to others or due to others. Example, creditors, loan taken from others, bills payable, etc. Question number 2. What is trading account? Show the format of trading account. Trading account shows the results of buying and selling of goods and services during an accounting period. The purpose of preparing trading account is to know the gross profit or gross loss. Then question number 3. Explain with suitable pro forma of balance sheet. Then problems. So the problems will be on trading account and final account. So here in unit 5, my advice for you is practice the problems on trading account and final account. So here you might be getting both the problems in the place of theory. So practice both the problems on trading account as well as final accounts. These are some of the important short questions from unit 1. A difference between bookkeeping and accounting. Explain the following principles: business entity concept, cost concept, going concept, accounting equation, money measurement concept. Differentiate between journal and ledger. Explain valuation of inventory, accounting standard. And from unit 2, advantages of subsidy books, debit note and credit note. What is general proper? types of subsidy books, difference between trade discount and cash discount, petty cash book, and from unit 3, what is bank reconciliation statement, what do you mean by cash book and passbook, advantage of bank reconciliation statement, any 4 reasons for differences between cash book and passbook, and from unit 4, explain errors not disclosed by a trial balance, types of errors, differentiate capital and revenue receipts, objectives of maintaining suspense account, what is deferred revenue expenditure. Unit 5, what do you mean by final accounts of a sole trader? Write a short note on fixed assets. Objectives of preparing final accounts. What do you mean by adjustment and closing entries? Sometimes out of 8 questions, 5 theory questions and 3 problems may come. And sometimes out of 8 short questions, 3 theory questions and 5 problems may come. So prepare theory questions properly. So finally I conclude that practice problems in long and short. First read the basics from your textbook and practice the illustration problems and then practice the exercise problems. Then finally you can go through last 5 years model question papers and practice all the problems. I hope so this content will be helpful for your final accounting exam preparation. If you like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you.